Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the Daily Defense Frizz Defense Deep Conditioner. So this deep conditioner has coconut oil and vitamin E, and I love any hair product that has coconut oil because coconut oil just makes your hair so soft, and I really love it. So this is one of my favorite products to use. It's a deep conditioner, so it's not something that I use every single time I wash my hair. I only deep condition maybe like twice a month. So, and that's only because I wash my hair like once a week. So if you wash your hair more than that, like if you're someone who washes your hair every day, maybe you'd want to deep condition like once a week at least, if not twice a week, but it's not something that's necessary to do every single day. This is sulfate free, so that means it's not gonna set up or like get foamy or anything, which I think conditioners don't most of the time, but anyway. So this conditioner, I usually will put this on after I shampoo and use regular conditioner on my hair, then I'll go in with this conditioner. And I leave it on. It says for 3 minutes. I usually just leave it on for like maybe 5 minutes just to make sure that my hair is really absorbing all of the nutrients, and I just want to get as much out of the product as I possibly can. So I leave it on for about 5 minutes, sometimes longer. It just depends on like what else I've got like I'm doing like in the shower or whatever, like shaving. Or whatever. So sometimes longer, but at least 5 minutes usually is what I will do. And I really like it. I feel like it has made my hair so much softer, so much more manageable, and also my hair is really curly, and I think that even after I use this, my curls look nicer. So it's like it works like a really good curl enhancer, which is really cool. I really love that about this because it was really unexpected. I was just getting it as something to use as a deep conditioner to kind of just help with my frizz and coarse hair, and it actually also worked as a curl enhancer. So for all my curly haired ladies and men out there, this has got like a dual purpose, or like triple, like frizz, softness, and curls, which is nice because the more use you can get out of one product, the better and easier your life will be. So yeah, I really love this product. I've used it for about a month now, so I've used it like, I think I've used it like 3 times, and I really like it. So yeah, I leave it in for like at least 5 minutes and then just rinse it out, and you want to make sure that you rinse it out completely because it is super rich, so, and pretty thick. So if you don't rinse it completely out of your hair is gonna look kind of oily, and it's gonna be on the greasier side, and it's gonna feel that way too, especially if you have thinner, finer hair. That's definitely gonna be the case. I don't know if anyone has ever like accidentally left too much conditioner in their hair and didn't like rinse it completely out. I know that I have, just from like rushing at times, and there's definitely a huge difference in my hair because you would think that leaving the conditioner in your hair would just make it softer and less frizzy, and it does, but it also makes it look and feel oilier, which causes you to want to have to wash your hair sooner. So just make sure that you get this product, wash it completely out so that does not happen. So I gotta open it up, and this product also smells really good. It smells like coconut, so it's a really nice smell. And because this is the last product I use in my hair, sometimes if I like don't put anything else in my hair afterwards and I don't like straighten it, I can smell this all day, coconut is a really nice scent to smell all day. At least, I mean, for me, I guess there are some people that maybe wouldn't like the smell of coconut, but I think it's one of my favorite smells, and it smells like it all day, and a little bit goes a long way. So the bottle is white and the product is white, so it's kind of hard to see, but the product is maybe to like it goes down a little bit. So like all the way over here, the product is down to here, but like over here, the product is almost filled to here, so it's kind of like at an angle in there. So, but point being, the jar is still almost full, and I've used it like 3 times. So this is probably gonna last me, using it 2 or 3 times a month. It's probably going to last me a good like 6 months at least. If you use it more often, obviously it's not going to last you that long, but so if you use it like twice a week, it'll probably last you like a couple of months, which is still not bad. It's still a pretty good, decent amount of time for a product to last. The only other thing with this bottle, oh, and it came just like this, it wasn't covered or anything like that, but it came really full, so that was nice. The only thing with this bottle is that you can't really close it tight, because when you try, do you hear that? Like it just pops and then gets loose again. It doesn't come out after you hear that little pop, but you can't close it tight. Like when it's closed and you feel like you just want to make sure it's closed, you can't, because it's just gonna pop again. So that's the only thing, is that I never feel like it's really completely closed. However, it is, because even after it's popped, when it gets loose, it's still closed, it's not coming out. But if you want it to be closed tight to where it's not going to move, you just have to be careful and really watch, because it'll pop and then you just have to do it again. But yeah, I highly recommend this product for anyone, especially those with curly, coarse hair. It's going to do wonders for your hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.